की खूब और कब्बाते से टीवी. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakrdob ying jongpi.
Kiniat benai hadin bu Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Assam Muhimanta Biswa Sarma. Belakaran Shah begini-gini samla puli ki bapas na University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kena miok kam sarkar hapo ke Jilla Assam u chancellor kini ke skol ba ula betha iki samla puli bakim deven pensngam henry ke deven plit jumun ha ke puli ke jongki. Habakaran bakilat pathai ko bor chancellor ke skol ba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya Umahbul Haq lapin pau bakim shimpat la Jubab Satya ye ketika Jingkren Menteri Rangba ke Assam henry lapin sngo thu iki samla bakin le bha ha ke examen me pher khnamba onom don ki bela ban khang la daki shushu lapin pau ru bak skol ba Ustm klayo ye kedan grade A bak badan ru ha ka thop ki arspa ligi skol ba bebetam hapo kari India bat kinu ki khna pule ni ki skol ba chongkari bat ka perthai onom don ki bela ban khang la.
Education is a concurrent issue. So any student passing out from any university in anywhere in the country and even globally, that nobody can restrict anyone. Second thing, nowadays all the jobs based on the various competitive examinations. Today, if our students qualify cracking NET examination, our students are eligible for any university, for any colleges. Similarly, if small jobs like teaching job, nowadays it is CTET is there, state TET is there. So if somebody is cracking, nobody can restrict. It is only that it has created a apprehension among the students. We have given the understanding, our students are knowing. And another thing is that you must be knowing that it is a A-grade university. A-grade private university, and we are among the 200 best university of the country, and this all certification and accreditation has been given by the government of India. So we are not giving any reply to such kind of thing, but this has created certainly unrest. We are innocently working, people from all over the country, people are knowing about USTM. We are relentlessly working, and we have given the understanding to our students that excellence has no enemy. So you excel, qualify the various competitive examinations, so nobody can stop. So this is, you are better knowing. So I think that we must be more aggressive. We must be more constructive, and we also must be responsive in terms of providing quality education to our students, so that whenever they are going to face any interview or any competitive examinations, our student can establish that yes, we studied in a very good university, and today we are in a very good position in different kind of avenues.